Mic check 1 2 1 2. Welcome everybody. We are just starting right now. So maybe today gonna talk about some crypto. Gonna talk about some crypto, right? And a bit of Bitcoin. Appears like it's my first time talking about crypto, Bitcoin, this stuff. I don't know why I chose this, but it's gonna be fun. Okay, it's gonna be fun. So we're gonna be talking about crypto and Bitcoin. Why don't you tell me what you think about my choice of a thumbnail, Donald Trump. I'm very high on Donald Trump these days, right? I'm just everything just Donald Trump and stuff. So yeah, this is going to be our broadcast today. We're just going to be talking about some crypto. So let's just jump right into it, guys. We do have that WhatsApp down there. Get it, and also, guys, the other thing which is important is just please kindly, guys, give me a sub, give me a sub, give me a sub. Okay, I've been stagnant at 130. Come on, guys, it's your man right here. Okay, give me a sub. Okay, show me some love, show me some love, people. Okay, now let's go. Okay, Coinbase, Bitcoin, a Ethereum, and also trading review. So this is just going to be like how our presentation is going to go like. So without further ado, let's go into Coinbase. Let's go there. Let me just adjust my little myself. So Coinbase Inc. was founded by Brian Armstrong and also the other guy, and Fred. Okay, in Delaware in May 2012, headquartered in San Francisco, California, US of A. It is the largest cryptocurrency trading platform in the United States. It is a digital currency exchange that brokers transactions in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, a Ethereum Classic, Litecoin. Oh my God, I didn't know there were so many cryptocurrencies, Tezos, and many other cryptocurrencies using legal tender in about 32 countries. So, okay, and Bitcoin for transactions and storage in 190 countries around the world. Coinbase is currently the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States by trading volume. Almost all of Coinbase revenue comes from trading in Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? I hope I got that right. So yeah, this is just brief intro about Coinbase. They're global giant. You can know, guys. You can transact in Bitcoin and store Bitcoin in over 190 countries. I'm from Zimbabwe. I don't know if you can transact or store your currency in Bitcoin in Zimbabwe. I'm not so sure. Yeah, about that. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, I don't know. Okay. But it is what it is, right? So let's get it pumping. Let me take you to the next page. Okay, that is all it's about. So there you can go. You can see right there. Got like a graphic right there, right? Bitcoin's value. Uh-huh. So you can really see that Bitcoin's value has been rising since Trump's assassination attempt. Uh-huh. It's been rising since Trump's assassination attempt. Bitcoin price rose by about 9% over the weekend, which may indicate that investors expect a Trump presidency to create a more favorable regulatory environment for the cryptocurrency industry. So, although Trump was skeptical of cryptocurrencies before, okay, after leaving office, Trump was enlightened. Okay. Trump not only invested in cryptocurrencies but also issued his own non fungible tokens, NFTs, and he has become an active supporter of the cryptocurrency industry. Trump is confirmed to attend the Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville, and the official has confirmed the news. Okay, so this is just a snippet. And yeah, Bitcoin and related stocks are riding high in 2024. So you can really see that whole graphic there, guys, to just show you how it's just show you the boom. You got like you can see Coinbase as well. You got MicroStrategy Inc. Yeah, so that's just a snapshot. Source is Bloomberg. Okay, so let's carry on. Okay. Um, Today is a Friday, so I want to get off early, okay? Trump's current cryptocurrency, I'm just going to be reading, and we're going to do the technical analysis later. Just so, yeah, I'm just going to be reading this. You guys can read it too. Trump's policies support cryptocurrency. So, Trump's current cryptocurrency support policies include promoting Bitcoin mining in the United States, protecting cryptocurrency custody rights, and preventing the Federal Reserve from issuing central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, okay, that could compete with the industry. To achieve these goals, Trump has taken specific actions. His team began to accept cryptocurrency investment, opening up new funding channels for the campaign. In addition, Trump has also convened a meeting of top US Bitcoin miners at Mar-a-Lago. A few years ago, there was a controversy right at Mar-a-Lago. These policies and actions may have an impact on the international financial system in terms of the regulatory environment. Trump seems to view Bitcoin as a strategic tool to addressing national macro challenges, especially in the context of rapid development of generative AI, which requires the rapid construction of energy production and transmission infrastructure to win the AI arms race. Donald Trump, Bitcoin 2024, July 25 to 27, Nashville. So it's currently underway. It started, Bitcoin conference started yesterday. Or today, depending, maybe today, maybe in your part of the world is the 25th. So it's currently ongoing. In my part of the world right now is the 26th. Okay. So yeah, it runs for these 3 days, the 25th, 26th, and 27th. And we have Donald Trump as our keynote speaker. Already gave you guys, told you that he is pro up, no, no, pro cryptocurrency getting liberalized. Uh, you know, the market's getting freed up. Just the flow of cryptocurrency. So let's move on. Okay, let's move on. Okay, that's all. So there you can see there. I got some figures right there. Okay, so from the picture structure, the bottom area features are more obvious from 2022 to 2023. The falling strength of segment 2 is much smaller than that of segment 1, obviously. You can see that, right? And the bottom area of MACD is constantly rising with obvious bottom divergence. After the second half of 2023, the falling segment 4 fell back to above platform A. Stock price and 34-day moving average were above 170-day moving average, and there was an upward trend. This is a very good buying point, and the stock price rose, but 3 times afterwards. I'm just reading. I'm going to give you a little breakdown of that. So there you go, guys. So currently, guys, you can see that this is a chart by Coinbase Global Inc. So let's just break it down. We just want to touch on the price trend and some key levels on this little chart that you see here. So you can see that the chart shows a significant downtrend from a high point, followed by a long period of consolidation and then a recent up trend there. Several support and resistance levels are marked on this chart, and you can see the support level is around $77.51, and also another support level they at $198.86. And your resistance levels are two resistance levels, one at around $245.05, and the other one is around $257.63. So two resistance levels and two support levels. So it appears that the stock also here, guys, has recently broken through the resistance at around $245 and is currently now testing for higher levels. So kudos to that. Yeah, kudos to that. You can also see right there on the chart, there are some wave counts there marked on the chart. We have them labeled from 1 to 4 and also A. So you can also see that corrective wave A, the corrective wave A is marked, and this just indicates a potential completion of a corrective phase before the stock resumed its uptrend. Okay, that's just all it means. It's just like analyze our moving averages. You can also see that the chart includes our moving averages there, guys, which will help identify the trend direction. Okay, so you can see that a significant moving average here seems to be providing some dynamic support around that $198.86 level. Okay, let me talk a bit about your MACD indicator right there. The MACD indicator, some people don't know what MACD means. MACD just means moving average convergence divergence. Okay, it's there, it's below there on the price chart. So you can see that the MACD lines are currently above zero. So this is an indicative of a bullish momentum or bullish nature. You can also briefly talk about the volume in trading here, guys. You can also notice that the volume bars are included at the bottom of the chart here, right there at the bottom. You see the volume bars right there, and you can see that there appears to be an increase in volume during those recent price movements right there. And this is just a strong indicator of trading activity and also interest in this stock. Okay, so that is pretty lovely. Pretty basic and simple breakdown that I got for you right there. And also, so let's just continue with this, with our chart analysis as well. So let's talk about some current trends right there that you can see. So you can see that the stock is in an uptrend only after a significant downtrend and also a period of consolidation. We already talked about the support and resistance. We also just the MACD, how it's giving momentum. So MACD indicator showing some positive momentum right there, which is also good for a bullish outlook. We also talked about the volume as well. So what would be your potential entry point here? Your entry point. So guys, if you are considering a long position, it could be prudent to wait for a clear break and close above the $257 mark resistance level, or buy on a pullback that would be to around the $245 support level. And also, what could be your target here, guys? If the price breaks and holds above $257, the next potential target could be around $300. Okay, could be around $300 based on the on the previous high levels and the Fibonacci extensions. Okay, so that is all that I have for you on this chart right here, guys. Make sure you follow, make sure you share, make sure you stay. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Yeah, guys. Please show your support, guys. Okay, we need your support on this channel. Okay, show your support to your boy, your one and only. Okay, your one and only boy. Okay, so show your support, good people. Let's continue with the live broadcast. Want to go to the next. We just want to continue and go to the next page. Yeah, kind of have to multitask here. Okay, let me go see there. You can see we've got some falling segments there, guys. See our segments 5 and 6. Okay, those are the falling segments 5 and 6 have a certain divergence from MACD and have a small converging triangle structure. The current price is above the support line. The current price will have corresponding support between $215 and $245. I'm just reading what's written there. Okay, and you can consider buying at a low level. Okay, so let's just give it like a really nice breakdown, because for some people it might be like Greek, right? Okay, it might be. So you can see, like, let's just talk about a bit about your MACD divergence. So MACD divergence there, guys, this suggests that the momentum might be slowing down, which can indicate a potential reversal or at least a stabilization at the bottom. We also have a small convergence triangle structure there. This often indicates a period of consolidation before a breakout. We all know this. The direction of the breakout, however, can be influenced by the overall trend and other technical indicators as well. Yes, support line, identifying a support line between that $215 to $245 range indicates that you may believe the price is likely to find buying interest and maybe stabilize or rebound within this range. Okay, so so given these three factors that I've spoken about, so what should you do? So given these factors, consider a buy at a lower end of this range. So you must consider buying at a lower end of this range. Could be a strategic move for you, particularly if the price, right? Particularly if the price approaches these levels and shows signs of support. Definitely, you want to do the following, guys. Monitor some price action. So you want to keep an eye on the price as it approaches that $215 to $245 range. So also try to look for some bullish reversal patterns, stronger volume on those up days, and obviously other signs of strength. Okay. Also try to check your MACD, ensure that the MACD continues to show signs of divergence, and look for a potential bullish crossover as part of your confirmation. You also gotta maybe set some alerts. Okay, so set some price alerts. So set price alerts around that 215 to 245 range to ensure you do not miss out of the opportunity to buy, right? To buy at your target levels, at your own target levels. And also, guys, just try to review broader market conditions. Try to ensure that the broader market conditions are not overly bearish, which could negate the support levels you've already identified. So yeah, that's just what I have for you there. This is about a breakdown, guys. Okay, we try to keep it as simple as possible over here. Okay, so there you go, guys. Let's move on with the show. Okay, let's go to the next page there. So we're going to talk about what? We're going to talk about Bitcoin. Okay, yeah, your boy going to talk about Bitcoin. So let's go there. It just started like that. So Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, let's talk about Bitcoin. So we got Bitcoin there, a daily chart. Okay, Bitcoin is just starting with me, bombarding me with a daily chart. How dare you, Bitcoin? Okay, so from Coinbase now to Bitcoin. Okay, so let's just do like a little analysis for our Bitcoin right there. Guys, make sure that you follow, make sure that you share as well. make sure that you stay inside of the live. So yeah, so the chart that you're seeing right now, guys, is of Bitcoin US dollar. Okay, so let's just highlight some key indications here, like some key observations. Obviously, let's go for our price trend and our key levels. So you can see that the chart shows a significant rise followed by a large correction and a subsequent recovery phase. Okay, and here, guys, you want to see your key support levels. Your key support levels are marked around that 51. Okay, 51. Yeah, that 51. Am I mistaken? Yeah, that 51,000, right? Yeah, that 51,000. You know, the red line. Okay, the red line. That red line. That's what I mean. Uh, that's what I'm referring to. So that is your key support levels marked around is that red line 5105, 51,045. Your resistance here, guys, are marked. You got two resistance. One is at that 64,230 mark, and also the other one is at that 68,812 point. Okay, and you're also gonna realize that on this chart, a downtrend line from the all-time high seems to be in place, which Bitcoin is currently approaching. Definitely also, guys, you can see that the chart also shows a large descending triangle pattern there, which Bitcoin is testing the upper boundary of the triangle. So Bitcoin is testing that upper boundary of the triangle. And here for our consolidation, let's look for our consolidation. You can clearly see that our consolidation is around that 64,230 point. This could indicate a potential breakout point if the price moves off. The price moves above this level. Okay. So you can also see that our moving averages there, guys, in the chart, they are acting also as that dynamic support and resistance level, particularly the 200-day moving average. You can notice that the 200-day moving average is providing support around that 51,045 level. As well, the MACD indicator is also so you can also see that here, like on the Coinbase, our MACD lines are above zero. This is good for indicating that bullish momentum as well. Let's talk a bit about the volume here. Volume bars, you can see they're shown at the bottom of the chart, but definitely being at the bottom doesn't mean that it's insignificant. So there is an increase. However, you can see that even though they're at the bottom of the chart, you can see that, however, there is an increase in volume during recent price rises, and that this just is suggesting strong buying signals and strong buying interest. Okay, but definitely let's get down more breakdowns for you that I have right now. You can also see that, guys, the current trend of this Bitcoin is in a recovery phase after a significant correction and is currently testing the upper boundary of that descending triangle pattern. We already talked about our support and resistance, but I'll go over them now. These are our key levels to watch. So key levels to watch here are that 64,230 0.81, which is our current resistance, and that $51,000 and 45.20, which is our support. We already talked about the could be a bullish breakout, and that is supported by that MACD indicator, which is showing that positive momentum as well. And also, guys, that increased volume during the price movements, guys, supports that current upward trend. Okay, so definitely, if you want to trade for this, what could I tell you? What, as small as I am, what could I tell you? So this can be your potential trading strategy. Your entry point, you should consider your entry point. If considering a longer position, wait for a clear break. Okay, longer position, please wait for a clear break and close above the what's that point? 64,230.81 resistance level, or buy on a pullback to the 51,045.20 support level. And also what could be a target. So if the price breaks and holds above 64,230.81, the next potential target could be around that 70,000 point, based on previous high levels and also our Fibonacci extensions. So definitely that's all we have for you all for this one, guys. How are you doing? I hope you're enjoying the live broadcast. I hope you're doing good. So just gave you a little breakdown right there. Okay, make sure that you follow. Make sure that you also chat with me. You know, sometimes my brother comes and he watches me and he never says anything. Yeah, my brother told me yesterday that he was watching. I'm sure he's the one who's watching right now. But he suggest he never says hi in the comments, in the chat, and he calls my and he's supposed to be my brother. Some brothers, crazy, right? Yeah, I have to catch up with the homie though. I haven't long time. You never catch up with him. So yeah. So that is just what we had for you today. Oh my God, I still have more breakdowns with this one. Oh my God, I've got how many? I have two other breakdowns. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let's try to move on to the next one and see what it has in store for us. I have another chart, more breakdowns, the best breakdown. Guys, this is an educational platform, okay? Okay, we're just having sharing knowledge over here, okay? Okay, so yeah. Also, for join us on that WhatsApp, okay, man. Join me on that WhatsApp, baby. What's wrong with you? Okay, so there we go, guys. Another chart, lots of candles. Oh my God. Our daily chart, the price is inside platform B, blah, 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 blah. There's a lot of stuff. Okay, yeah. So it looks like, yeah. So obviously we've got some key support and resistance levels on this daily chart, and yep. And so this is what you also always have to look at, and also look at your moving averages. Okay, so let's just go there. I want to talk a bit about that platform B. So you can see that the price is currently trading within a defined range up top there, or consolidation area, which we refer to here as our platform B. Our resistance is at 68,300. Okay, 68,300. That is our significant our resistance, and this is significant, guys. You can see that there is significant resistance levels around that point. And historically, guys, the price has struggled to move above this level, and this is just an indicator of strong selling pressure or profit taking, strong selling pressure or profit taking around that point. And also you can see your 100-day moving average supports there. So you can see the 170-day moving average is around that same point, that 63,000 points, and it is providing a potential support level where buyers like you watching right now might step in to support the price. Okay. So you need to what? So what kind of action can you take? First of all, guys, you need to observe your support at that 63,000. Okay, at 63,000 points. So here, basically, guys, you just need to watch how the price behaves around that 170-day moving average. And if you notice, if the price finds support around that point, and also if it shows some bullish signals, behaviors, e.g., candlestick patterns, increased volume, etc., it might be a really good entry point to to go along with. And also, If the price breaks through, right, if also the price breaks through the resistance level at that 68,300 points with strong volume and momentum, this could be a signal to go along as well. So here you could consider adding put some more positions if you want after a confirmed breakout above this level. So they can be so breakout can be confirmed at 68,300 points. So what are some of the buying strategies that you could try to use here based on this chart that you see here? So you definitely need to be buying near your support. So if the price approaches 63,000 points and shows signs of support, you could enter a long position. Ensure you be careful though. You must ensure that you set up a stop loss slightly below this level to protect against future decline. Yeah, yep, you want to guard against some future decline. Okay, definitely. How you guys doing? Are you enjoying the broadcast right now? There you go. And also the other thing that you should watch out for here, guys, you can also be like strategies. Another strategy is adding on breakout. So if the price breaks above that 68,300 points, so you must consider like adding to your long position. Okay. Um, what is the significance of this? Okay, this indicates a potential continuation of that upward trend you see there. So try to confirm the breakout with the increased volume and possibly a retest of that breakout level as well. So definitely that is good as well. So continuously, guys. So this is also the other thing is your position sizing as well. Ensure your position sizes are manageable and align with your overall risk management strategy. Avoid things like over leveraging, especially in volatile market conditions. So in summary, guys, price action, continuously monitor price action around the key levels of 63,000 and 68,300 points. Look for confirmation signals like higher lows and higher highs. Also pay attention to your volume, trading volume there. Try to pay attention to a lot of trading volume. Higher volume on up days indicates buying interest and can provide additional confirmation for your trades. Okay. The other thing, guys, you are also supposed to go with the market sentiment. What is the market saying? What is the market? What's the feeling inside the market? So keep an eye on broader market conditions and sentiments, as these can influence price movements and the effectiveness of support and resistance levels. Okay, how do you feel about that, guys? Now let's move on to the next one. Make sure you follow. Yep, guys, you can find me on WhatsApp. I have the item in there, right? I have the QR code, guys. Get the QR code. Okay, scan, come through. Let's chit chat. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it was helpful. Okay, yeah, it was helpful. The stock, guys. Yeah, I'm still going on and on and on and on. Guess what? I thought I was done. Still got another chart. Oh my God. At least now I get to go to the center. Okay. And let me put it up here though. So yeah, this is your 30-minute chart. Let me find somewhere good. Okay. Let me put it up top there, man. Am I clear? Okay. So this is the 30-minute chart. Let's just do a little quick breakdown for this 30-minute chart that we captured over here. Now, so you can see that, guys, On the 30-minute chart, you have some fluctuating upward trend. You can also see your support line. Basically, some of the stuff that I've just said in the what I've just said in the previous slide. So let me just give you some additional notes that I made for this one here. Okay. So let me see. Okay, so here, guys, all I'm gonna give you like example of some strategy. So if you are for a short position, if the price breaks below the support line, open a short position. Okay. For example, if the support line is at 65,000 points and the price breaks below, open a short position with a stop loss at 65,200 points. Long position. So if the price breaks above 68,000 points, increase your long position. For example, if the price breaks above 68,000 and reaches 68,200 with strong volume, add to your long position with a stop loss at 68,800 points. And also, you need to be reducing reduce positions at resistance. Okay, if the price approaches 68,000 points but shows resistance, reduce your long positions. Okay, reduce your long position. So for example, if the price reaches, let's say 67,900 and shows signs of reversals, close part of your long position. Okay, try to close it just like that. Close it, shut it. Okay, let's go, go. Okay, that was that. Let's go, go. Okay, let's go. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Let's go. Okay, Ethereum. Okay, so let's go. Ether is the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum blockchain platform and is regarded as Bitcoin 2.0 as the world's second largest cryptocurrency. The market value of Ethereum is only second to Bitcoin, and its wide range of applications and technological innovations occupy an important position in the blockchain ecosystem. What were we learning in school, people? What were we learning in school? Yo, we're supposed to go back to school, yo. I feel like I should go back to school. What was I learning in grade one, in all them years, man? We're supposed to be learning all this. What were we learning? Okay, so this is important. Let's go. Yeah. Let's take it up a notch, right? Let's take it up a notch. Um, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go now. Yeah. This is the this is a obviously it's a chart, Ethereum chart. Let's go with our Ethereum chart so you can see uh, so we can have some key trends and some really nice price trends and key levels there. So you can see that this is an Ethereum chart and it shows Ethereum's significant rise followed by some corrections and also some subsequent recoveries. So let's identify our key support. Where are our key support? Our key support level are marked around that 100 and let me look at my notes. $1,437. Yeah, at the 147, 1,437, 1,711, 2,402, and also that 3,063. Okay, our resistance level here are marked at that 3,448, and also another resistance level at that 3,710. There's also a symmetrical triangle pattern indicating some potential breakout points. Okay, let's get into also. So you can see in a nutshell, this this chart, the chart shows a rectangle pattern indicating some consolidation happening within a specific price range. You can see that our Ethereum appears to be in a consolidation phase at 3,063 and also at 3,710. So as long a long-term ascending trend line is providing support. Okay, moving averages. Okay, there we go. So let's go for our moving averages. So you can see that we'll go your 200-day moving average there. It's providing enough support at that 2,402 level. Let me just give you what I see here. Analysis of okay, so your current trend. So your Ethereum is in a consolidation phase after a significant rise and correction, currently trading within a rectangle pattern. Your MACD indicator shows positive momentum but suggests potential consolidation or trend change. Also, your volume here, volume bars are shown at the bottom of the chart. Uh, increased volume as well during recent price movements supports the strength of the current uptrend. So your entry point, so if you're considering a long position, wait for a clear break and close above that $3,710 resistance level, or buy on a pullback to the 3,063 support level. Your target here, guys, if the price breaks and holds at 3,710, the next potential target could be around 4,000 based on previous high levels as well. So that is just a quick rundown. Yeah, that's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. I'm still just trying to analyze by myself, you know. So yeah, just let's see what else we have. I think I have another one as well. Should be having others as well. Let's see. Oh, we only had one for. Okay, so let's see. Uh, Yeah, there you go. So in the price history chart, the ETH, we can find that it has experienced many bull bear conversion cycles, and the second red cryptocurrency has also fallen into the ice valley period of cryptocurrency price, which is why it has been questioned by the market. In January 2018, ETH ushered in its first historical high with a cryptocurrency price of about 1,300. However, just a year ago, ETH was only about $10. Woo! And it rose by as much as 130 times during this period. But the subsequent bear market caused ETH to fall to as low as around $100, a drop of more than 19%. This one's made people doubt whether the Ethereum project really has great value. Okay, so yeah, the rest of the stuff, guys, you can read by yourself. Okay. Okay. So, oh my God, we have another one. Oh, I didn't know we had another one. Oh my God, who did this? Let me see. Do I have another one? Yeah, this one should be the last one, I think. Yeah, just give me a second right now. Let's try to see this one. This is the last one that of our stock price, our our chart. Okay, so let's just give it a little uh, uh, breakdown, and then we go. So currently, there's a relative large resistance near 3,716 above and lower edge of the box at 2,822. Okay, so I just do this like how I do the others. Okay, um, but it's more or less the same thing with what I was talking about in the other one as well. But obviously, is this a weekly one? Uh, is this a weekly one? Let me see. Let me move this. Yeah, this is a daily chart again. This is a daily chart. So let's go. Yeah, so there you go, guys. It's just a daily chart. Given the current market conditions with significant resistance at 3,716 and support around your 2,822, and with an unclear market direction, it is prudent to wait for more signals before opening positions. So these are just some notes that I make. Number one, your resistance is at 3,716, a significant level where the price has encountered selling pressure in the past. Your support will be at 2,822, which is a critical level where the price has found buying interest and also support previously. You can also see there might be a bit of some unclear market direction. Okay, the overall market trend here, guys, is not clear, suggesting that there could be a period of consolidation or indecision. These things happen. Okay, what action plan can you take? Definitely you want to wait for clearer signals. So instead of running or rushing to open positions, immediately monitor the price action closely, right? For some clear breakouts or some breakdown signals as well. And also you would want to try to set some alerts. Use your things like your trading platform to set alerts for when the price approaches your key levels, the resistance one, which is at the 3,716, and the support level, which is at 2,822. So yeah, then definitely, guys, you can also, so you got some two trading strategies you could incorporate, one at the breakdown and the other one at the breakout level, and the other one at the breakdown level. So the breakout is above 3,716. Okay, so you got to look for a confirmed breakout above $3,716, especially if it has got some stronger volumes. This could signal a continuation of an upward trend. So try to look for that, and also try to establish a long position. Consider opening a long position once the breakout has been confirmed. Place a stop loss, if you can, just below the breakout level to protect against some false breakouts again. Let's go for what if there's a breakdown. Okay, breakdown below that 2,822. So this is how you know. Just make sure, look for a confirmation breakdown below $2,822 with increased selling pressure. Those are some of the signs. This could indicate a continuation in the downward trend. Okay, and here you can establish your short position. Okay, so consider opening a short position once immediately the breakdown is confirmed. Place a stop loss as well just above the breakdown level to protect against a false breakdown. Okay. So yeah, let's see some things that are included as well. Buy near the support. So you want to buy near the support and you want to sell near the resistance. So you want to buy near your support. And where is your support? So if the price approaches that 2,822 and shows signs of support, what are the signs of support? Bullish reversal patterns are signs of support. So here, guys, you can consider opening a long-term position. Place a stop loss just below 2,822. Where can you sell? If you ever want to sell near the resistance. If the price approaches that $3,716 mark and shows signs of resistance, bearish reversal patterns, consider opening a short position. Okay, definitely you need to do that one as well. So let me give you some scenarios, some examples, then we finish off, then we go. So there, scenario one, for example, a breakout above 3,716. So price breaks above 3,716 and reaches 3,730 with strong volume. Open a long position at 3,730. Set a stop loss at 3,700. Another scenario, there could be scenario two, breakdown below 2,822. So if the price breaks below 2,822 and drops to 2,800 with strong volume, you gotta open a short position at 2,800 and set a stop loss at 2,840. Then scenario number 3, range trading, okay, or trading range. If the price approaches, let's say, 2,822 and shows support, you gotta open a long position at 2,840 and the stop loss at 2,800. If the price approaches 3,716 and shows resistance, please open a short position at 3,700 with a stop loss at 3,740. Okay, and you got to be patient and continue to monitor. Okay, that's all we had for you today. Okay, there we go. Follow us, guys. Okay, follow us. These are some of the companies that we spoke about their stocks. So please follow us on WhatsApp and sub this. There's so many other companies apart from the ones that we did today. Going back all the way to the month of June, July, June, May. There's so many companies. Make sure you follow. Make sure you share. There's so many companies. Maybe you guys are familiar. You can go check out all these companies, the likes of SoundHound, Rivian, Bilibili, Reddit, Tesla, Adobe, Apple, Doyu, Nvidia, Essential, MicroAlgo, Intimate Incorporated, Arista Networks, Silvercorp Metals, New Gold, Friday Future, Intelligent Electric, GameStop. Go try to trade and invest in these companies. Okay, they're still good. They're still doing good, guys. So make sure they guys text me on WhatsApp. I'll see you next week, guys. Do not forget to give us a follow. Join us on our WhatsApp, and I will share many other informations with you. It was nice being with you guys here today. See you next time. Bye-bye.